Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a lip product that gives you a pop of color with a glossy finish, stick around because today we're talking about the MAC Lustreglass Lipstick in the shade 567, like I was saying. This is a revamped formula that promises to deliver effortless glamour with a slick, sheer finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's get into the details. The MAC Lustreglass Lipstick comes in a sleek 0.1/aughts 3-gam tube, and the color is a gorgeous, glossy pinkish nude, perfect for those who want something subtle but with a bit of shine. The formula itself is touted as being a blend of nourishing ingredients to keep your lips feeling comfortable while delivering that signature translucent, glossy look. No more worrying about drying out your lips with those high shine formulas. The lipstick glides on smoothly, leaving behind a lustrous finish without feeling heavy or sticky. Now, let's talk about the experience of using it. One of the first things I notice when applying this lipstick is how smooth and buttery it feels. The texture is rich but lightweight, and I didn't feel the need to reapply it constantly. It's definitely more of a sheer wash of color, which I loved for those no-fuss everyday looks. It lasted a decent amount of time, about 3 to 4 hours on me, without fading or feeling patchy. For a glossy lipstick, that's pretty impressive. Of course, with a glossy finish, you'll want to be mindful of what you're eating or drinking, as it can transfer a bit. But overall, the color payoff is beautiful for those who want to make a statement without going too bold. The product's shine makes your lips look plump and hydrated, and the formula doesn't settle into fine lines, which is always a win. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, this lipstick delivers on its promise of comfort and shine. The formula is moisturizing, which is a huge plus compared to some other glossy lipsticks that tend to feel drying. The shade, like I was saying, is versatile, suitable for a wide range of skin tones, and can easily be worn day or night. On the flip side, if you're someone who loves long-wearing, fully opaque lipstick, this might not be your best match. The Lustreglass is sheer, so those looking for something more intense or longer lasting might not be as satisfied. The glossy finish also means it can require more frequent touch-ups throughout the day, especially after meals. As for value, this one is a bit of a splurge at its price point. But given the formula's comfort and the sleek packaging, I'd say it's worth it if you're after something easy to wear that doesn't sacrifice hydration for shine. There are definitely cheaper lipsticks out there, but the Lustreglass Lipstick stands out for its glossy, moisturizing finish. Now, in comparison to other similar lipsticks on the market, the MAC Lustreglass sits on the higher end in terms of price, but I think it's justified if you're after that glossy, almost plumped look. It feels more luxurious compared to drugstore options, and the nourishing ingredients certainly set it apart. The packaging is typical MAC, sleek, elegant, and easy to throw into your purse. It feels solid and premium, and while the lipstick itself isn't oversized, you do get enough product for the price. It's small enough to be portable, but doesn't feel like you're getting a mini version. When it comes to alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are plenty of glossy lipsticks on the market, such as the Maybelline Color Sensational Shine Compulsion Lipstick. It has a similar glossy finish and a more budget-friendly price, though it may not provide quite the same level of nourishment. So, is the MAC Lustreglass Lipstick worth it? If you're someone who loves a high-shine, moisturizing lip product that adds a hint of color without being too bold, yes, I definitely recommend it. The texture and comfort level are top-notch, and the shade, like I was saying, is a perfect neutral for a wide range of skin tones. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and if you've tried the MAC Lustreglass Lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.